morning. Welcome to Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Malavika is Kiwin with you. Let us start with the headlines. World's fastest drummer. 11-year-old achieves 2,370 ppm. Udupi 6-year-old supergirl turns Oman Bahrain princess with her capoeira stride. Shuttler Tasnim Mir becomes first Indian to claim world number 1 status in under-19 girls singles. Lakshyasen beats world champion to claim India Open title. 10-year-old Australian multimillionaire owns 2 companies, could retire at 15. Aura Phase 5 Nirthalaya in full swing. 11-year-old Pritish AR is officially the world's fastest drummer. He has broken the record for the most drum beats in a minute using drumsticks, with a total of 2,370, that's 39.5 beats per second. This achievement is another big step in Pritish's drumming journey, 1 year after he became one of the youngest people ever to pass the highest level drums exam at Trinity College, London. Zara Wasim Asa, the 6-year-old girl from Belapur in the Karnataka district of Udupi, has made India proud with her prodigious achievements in the field of martial arts. Zara was praised by the Crown Princess of Oman and Bahrain recently for her astounding performance in capoeira, the Brazilian martial arts form. Child prodigy Zara, who represented the Champ Sports and Arts Club of Oman, won the Star of the Event award and was lauded by the Crown Princess and audiences alike. Did spelling good times for Indian badminton as youngster Tasnim Mir just climbed up the rankings to the number 1 spot in the newly released list. The 16-year-old teenager became the first Indian world number 1 in the BWF under-19 girls singles category. She was rewarded for last year's stellar run when she secured titles in 3 junior international tournaments to jump 3 places to grab the top position in the junior world ranking. India's Lakshyasen secured his maiden Super 500 title by winning the Yonex Sunrise India Open with a straight game victory over reigning world champion Loh Keen Yew of Singapore in the men's singles final. The 20-year-old son, who had claimed his maiden world championship medal with a bronze in Spain last month, produced a fine performance to outshine the 5th-seeded shuttler. Pixie Curtis, a 10-year-old girl from Sydney's Vaucluse, has made millions by selling toys and could retire in the next 5 years at 50. Curtis had set up her toy company named Pixie Fidgets in March 2021. She took help from her mother to set up the toy company. The first month of opening, the company made well over 200,000 Australian dollars, roughly about 1.7 crore. Work like there's no tomorrow. Train, strive, cultivate your talent to the highest degree. These were the words once said by Michael Jackson. He truly cultivated these words into many rustic hearts to bloom up the spirit of music and dance, and with Nirthalaya, the tapping feet, and the melodious voices fill up the Aura book with brilliant performances, from light music to Navarasangal, from western dance to folk dance. The prodigies of Karuna Vidyakshetra International School are ready to cultivate their talents to the highest degree. The roller coaster ride has come to its full swing. Let's await for new dimensions to open. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more stories from the desk of Karuna. This is Malavika is Kiwin signing off. Thank you.